This is so amazing. So amazing. I've never seen a bird like this before. This bird is trying to tell me something. This bird telling you to move things out your way that's in your way. Move it out your way. Move things out your way ain't supposed to be in your way. Move things that's stopping you from going forward in life. Look at this bird. You see the beaks on that bird? This bird just playing in the leaves, man. This bird's supposed to be somewhere pecking a tree. But he entertaining me. Trying to tell me something. So amazing. Look at that bird just moving them leaves out the way. And he know I'm watching him. See? He gone. Just like that. He came back. I see you. I see you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. I got the message. Thank you. So amazing, man. Look how beautiful this is. Y'all people ignore things like this in nature. Not me. Everything happened for a reason. This bird is getting me ready for my season. Watch out, y'all. Thank you. Just moving things out your way as you go through life. Moving things out your way that's harming you, but you think it's helping you. Get things out your way that you just used to doing. Get rid of old habits and create new ones, more positive ones. Move things out your way, y'all. This is so beautiful. I'm so thankful that I'm experiencing this right now. I've never seen a bird this color. I've never seen a bird like this. Man, this is proof, man. The universe powerful. Can come to you in many shapes and forms. People, places, and things. You just gotta be open to receive the message. Hey. Yeah, I seen them beaks. Show your beaks one more time. Thank you. You doing this for me? You trying to tell me something, buddy? Thank you. I really appreciate you. I really do. Thank you for spending time with me. That's my friend, y'all. He came to visit me out of nowhere. Wow. So powerful. Show your face. I can't see you. I can't see you. Yeah, I can't see. Look. See how it's dirty all around? But the bird left a clean spot. Man, it's a powerful message. Don't be nasty, y'all. Y'all clean up behind yourself. Always make sure you're in a clean environment. You heard me? Look, the bird gone. But he left the spot clean. Before he left, you heard me? Wow.